This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare whey protein, exploring its benefits and potential drawbacks. Whey protein is a popular supplement, often used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It's a byproduct of cheese making, offering a convenient way to increase protein intake. We'll discuss its nutritional profile, how it supports muscle growth, and any considerations you should keep in mind before adding it to your diet. Let's dive into the details. Whey protein offers significant advantages for your health and fitness goals. It's rich in branched-chain amino acids, especially leucine, which is crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Consuming it can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Many find it a convenient and efficient way to meet daily protein requirements, especially when leading an active lifestyle. While beneficial, whey protein isn't without potential downsides. Some people report mild digestive discomfort, such as gas or bloating, particularly with lactose intolerance. It's also important to check ingredient labels, as some brands include unnecessary fillers, artificial sweeteners, or high amounts of sugar. Always consider your individual health needs and consult a professional if you have concerns about kidney health or allergies. Ultimately, whether whey protein is good or bad depends on your individual needs and how you use it. Opt for reputable brands with minimal additives. Listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. Remember, it's a supplement, not a meal replacement. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.